My top 5 moments from this show are when Harris and his friends discover the robot, when Harris becomes a monster, when Harris and his friends become even closer friends, when Harris changes his hairstyle, and when Harris puts a tie on every day and it's good for the ladies. The powers that my favorite robot would have would be to read other people's minds, because who doesn't like to read other people's minds, you know? Get to know what they're thinking. It's cool. 2 animals that I'd mix to make my own monster would be a lion and a dragon. Crisscross, boom, lagging. He's lagging around, you know, like a snake, and then boom! I don't know.